Hey everybody!
Hey guys!
So why order takeout
when you can make it even better at home?
That's right. Let's make
Sesame Chicken!
Yeah! So it all starts with delicious, savory chicken.
Flash fried until golden crispy.
Oh, now we're gonna make a sauce that is loaded with that classic flavor.
Oh, and when that sauce coats that crispy chicken, wow!
Oh, of course, we're gonna top it with a nice sprinkling of sesame seeds.
And a sprinkling of chopped scallions.
Amazing! So welcome back to How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My walking on sunshine loon. Get it? We're
walking on sunshine, yeah!
We're cooking with a walk today, folks. We're so excited. We are doing one of our favorite dishes of all time. It goes way back with us, and we're showing you a really simple preparation. It's going to be so
easy peasy. Totally. Oh, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that little bell icon so that you get reminders.
That's right. All right, let's get started.
Let's do it.
So we start by cutting up 1.5 pounds of chicken into bite-sized pieces.
We love chicken thighs for even more flavor.
So transfer it to a nice-sized bowl.
And in a separate bowl, mix together 2 egg yolks, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, and a healthy pinch of salt and pepper.
Whisk it all together until combined.
Now, over the chicken, dump in 1/3 cup of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of flour and the egg yolk mixture.
Use a big old wooden spoon to stir and fully combine.
Yeah, let's make crispy chicken.
Let's do it. So working in batches,
carefully add the chicken to the hot oil
and stir to prevent them from sticking to each other.
Once golden crispy, remove them from the hot oil
and drain on paper towels.
Yum!
Fried chicken! Yay!
Who doesn't love fried chicken?
Any day we're making fried chicken.
Look at that.
It's so crispy
and
so
it's so good, you guys.
Oh my gosh, we're just getting started, folks.
Yes!
We are gonna walk and roll.
I was waiting for you to say that.
I know, it's my favorite thing to do. So if you don't have a wok, don't panic. You can do this in a big old skillet.
So funny.
But so the oil that we fried this in, this is gonna reheat when we bring it all together.
Right.
But you want to safely discard that oil and then wipe it out with a paper towel because we're gonna keep on walking here.
Yes.
Okay, but first we gotta make a sauce.
Yes, this sauce, y'all. It sticks to your ribs. It's so good. It's so good. All right, we're gonna build this sauce starting with a tablespoon of sesame oil.
Yeah.
And then we've got 2 tablespoons of honey. I love that.
This sauce is a little sweet, it's a little savory. It's
gotta get all that honey goodness.
Come on, honey.
I know. Oops, get a little messy over here. Now we have 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine.
Or I'm gonna
You are gonna
the pronunciation.
You are.
Shushing wine. I've got a link to it in the description.
2 tablespoons of tomato paste.
Should also say rice wine vinegar will work here for in place of the Chinese cooking wine.
Then we have 1/4 cup of light brown sugar.
Yeah.
It gives it so much flavor.
That sweetness,
Really
that we love in our sesame chicken.
Yeah. Then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Gotta have the soy.
Yes.
Yeah, you can do reduced sodium if no problem.
1/4 cup of chicken stock. Fish stock, but no, that's not.
That would be. Well, that'd still be good. Okay, so now.
Wait, hold on.
Oh,
We've got 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to give it some thickness.
Yeah, it'll help thicken and make it really just sticky kind of sauce. Okay, so now I've got my wok over here. I'm cranking the heat because we're stir frying.
Yeah.
So I should say, I'm gonna go ahead. I've got 4 tablespoons of that good old peanut oil. And this is going to heat up so fast. This hot plate that we use is like, it's hotter than like the Chinese kitchen.
Yeah, I know. We've had that wok for years.
We have. It's really well seasoned.
Yes.
Anyway, so I should say, when you're stir frying, this all comes together very, very quickly. So mise en place is really important, which means have all of your ingredients ready to go because it's going to go like that. So you definitely want to do that. And then another thing I would suggest, we have a link to this in the description and in the blog post. This is called a wok ring, and what it does is it just keeps this kind of wobbly wok in place.
Yes.
We don't like a wobbly wok.
No wobbly wok.
Just you put it right there, and it keeps it from, especially when you're on the stove, like when we were cooking.
Yeah, frying.
Because you don't want to that thing to tump over.
No.
On here, it's pretty safe. All right.
Yes.
Now that my oil is
hot wok.
so we are going to dump in some garlic. We've got, and then we're going to put in some
ginger.
And look at that! Oh my gosh!
Oh, I feel like this is so so authentic.
I know, it's
now
amazing.
we're gonna throw in this sauce.
We're gonna put in that sauce.
Yes.
And then it's gonna cook for just a few minutes, and then look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And then it's gonna just thicken up, and it's gonna be absolutely heavenly.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay, so this has
All
been
right.
going for about 2 to 3 minutes. See how it's gotten nice and thick, and now the loon.
Yes, I've got the chicken.
The loon's got some
We're
chicken.
just gonna
You're just gonna
pour it right
look
in
at
there.
that. And it just coats that chicken. Oh my gosh, it's just so amazing. So you're gonna continue stirring this around until it fully coats the chicken and reheats that chicken completely through. And then,
Yes.
folks, it is about time to eat.
That's right.
Oh my gosh, is there anything more beautiful?
That's gorgeous.
It is just that golden
That is
color.
the most used word I use. Gorgeous.
Well, you're usually talking about me.
Oh,
That's so sweet. Anyway, all right, folks, this is really, I mean, look at that, it's beautiful. I'm gonna take it off the heat. Now, this is optional, but we just love the sesame flavor so much.
Totally.
So I'm putting in another tablespoon of that sesame oil.
Yeah.
And
That just brings it all out.
oh, it's just incredible.
That wok.
I know.
That wok is so. We've had that. It's from New York. From New York to New Jersey, here to Texas.
I
It's
know.
got a crack in it. We actually call it our Liberty Bell wok.
It's got about as much history as the Liberty Bell. Okay.
All right.
Serve yourself up.
We're gonna serve it up, then we're gonna add, obviously, a little more flavor to it. Look at that, you guys.
That is beautiful.
Chris, look at that.
I know. I'm telling you, you're never going to do takeout again.
No.
Not that there's anything wrong with takeout. Heavens
Wait, just
knows.
a little topper twister.
Oh, that is beautiful. And you saw how easy it was. I'm so happy.
Wow. Okay, y'all. Now, obviously, it's sesame chicken. You want some sesame seeds on top of that. Look at that, Chris.
That is a work of art. I'm telling you.
That's gorgeous. Now, we like to add some chopped scallions.
Yes.
Y'all, that is a piece of art.
And it's stir fry, so it's so fast.
I think it's time for me to eat.
I think so.
Oh, and we made some rice too. If you.
Oh yeah. We have a recipe for like perfectly cooked steamed rice.
Yes.
In the blog and all.
That sauce.
Wow, his eyes. Did we do it? We did it. I think we did it.
That is so much better than takeout. That's like, oh, that's so good.
It's euphoric.
Y'all, oh, I wish you could taste this. I really wish you could. Oh,
Tell us what you love about it.
The crispy chicken. The crispy chicken is just spot on. And then that sauce with the honey and the brown sugar and then the soy sauce.
Yeah.
All of it just mixed together with that chicken. That is 1000% ludicrous.
Feel it coming. Oh, I'm so excited. And normally, I when I'm at we're having takeout or at a Chinese restaurant, I douse it with soy sauce.
Yeah.
But I have a feeling this
You
is
don't need it.
It's the real deal. It's the real deal, y'all. I mean, goodness gracious, alamadacious. That is
Yay!
so good.
Oh.
I love this. I just love it when it's in the wok and it's cooking. It's just so delicious and
It's
so aromatic.
wonderful, and it really just adds a touch of authenticity.
It
to
adds a big touch. I know. I love. I love cooking Asian food. I love cooking Chinese food.
Yes.
I love our General Tso's.
Oh, General Tso's stick. Those pork dumplings with the peanut sauce.
Yes.
Szechuan style. So good. You can get these recipes on howtofeedaloon.com.
Get walking with it, folks.
I'm walking.
Walking. Bye, everybody.